What's up, everybody? Happy New Year's. I know I'm a little bit late with this and it's been a minute since you guys have seen me, but I got a lot of good news. So the reason things have been a little quiet lately on the build is in the past month or two, a lot of life changes have happened and a lot of changes for the better. One, I got engaged. Two, I actually moved, and I'm actually sitting in my new garage where the Rotary Knight is now resting, as you can see here. But as you can see with all the junk I have in the background, the garage is a mess and I have a lot of work to do. So I have a lot of stuff to sell, and if you're interested, let me know. I got a bunch of S5 bumpers there. In these big containers are a whole bunch of interior parts and extra things. So if you need something, whether it comes to bumpers, interior parts, or maybe some miscellaneous engine stuff, I might have it. Let me know. Anyways, so got engaged and we moved to a new location. And the move is also good because it means that I have to commute less. Before, and part of the reason a lot of the videos slowed down, is I was commuting up to 4 hours a day. And the commute was just awful. I basically had no time to get anything done. And on the weekends, I was just dead beat, or if something was going on with family or friends and we were doing something, it meant there was no time for the build. But everything's changed. Now I'm gonna have way more time because my commute is way shorter and I'll get time more for the build. On top of that, I also have another little project that started up. I bought a new daily driver, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. And today, I'm actually gonna be installing some parts for the new daily. So, why don't I put my shoes on and show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, that is the new daily. It's a 1994 Honda Civic DX. I'm the third owner of the car. While the outside of the car, it's seen better days. The inside is still relatively clean and everything is there. It's practically all original OEM, and the original owner actually took all the service records and took good care of it mechanically. So it's a great base to have as a daily driver, and I'm gonna turn it into just a little fun to drive daily car. I have a lot of great mountain roads nearby, so it's something I want to be able to enjoy on those mountain roads. Not just only in the RX-7, of course, but in the daily as well. So look forward to that. I'll start a whole new series for the Honda Civic and the daily and all the updates I make with that car, and I'll continue with the work doing on this car. But first, I need to manage this garage and all this junk. So I'll talk to you guys again soon. Happy New Year's. Have a good one. Bye.